Want to change your WhatsApp number on iPhone without losing your chats or groups? Here's exactly how to do it, step by step. Before we start, make sure your new phone number is active and able to receive SMS codes. Also, confirm it's a mobile number, not VoIP, landline, or toll-free. Now, open WhatsApp on your iPhone, go to Settings, Account, Change Number, and tap Next. Enter your old number in the first field and your new number in the second, both with country codes. On the next screen, you can choose to notify your contacts. You can alert all contacts, selected ones, or none, but WhatsApp will always notify your group chats automatically. After that, WhatsApp will send a 6-digit verification code to your new number. Enter the code to confirm the change. Your entire account, profile photo, chat history, settings, and group memberships will be transferred to your new number without losing anything. If you're switching to a new iPhone, make sure you back up your chat first. Go to Settings, Chats, Backup Chat, and tap Backup Now. Ensure that iCloud Drive is enabled for WhatsApp in your iPhone settings. Then, on your new iPhone, reinstall WhatsApp, log in with your new number, and tap Restore Chat History when prompted. And that's it! Your WhatsApp number is now updated and all your data stays with you. Follow for more iPhone guides and let me know if you want the Android version next.